Li nan chambre 607, porte la Valoc, un dom bito long.
So, qui est-ce qui Solange?
Solange Mentor, 24-year-old from Oakland City, Georgia. At the age of 15, a sex offender, Sergo, manipulated her. Aided by her best friend, Valerie, Solange attempted to escape but was unsuccessful. Sergo, upon a misunderstanding with his partner Billy, was arrested and sent to prison for 20 years. Solange and Valerie finally took the opportunity and moved to Naples, Florida for a new life. A year later, Solange meets Jude, a successful businessman. Love was instant and marriage was definite. On the day of the wedding, Sergo unexpectedly showed up, despite the fact that Jude never knew of Solange's past.
Sure.
They become a target of blackmail.
Solange?
Man, leave the girls alone! It's over!
After the wedding.
Simba, je ne comme ça, ma fucking